My name is Ashok Kamal. I'm based out of Delhi, and I head my own group of companies, which is called Orient Resins Limited Group. We are into diverse activities. So I had done this 1 hour session with Chandrakant and the carry on activity of 7 days. So my takeaway is that it is extremely useful because it allows you to introspect, self uh, repair yourself and improve yourself. So, recommendation, yes, highly recommended for people who want to improve their lives. But as they say, you can take the horse to the water, but you can't make it drink it. So, if you are willing to put in your best and improve your life on your own way, then certainly do the course. Otherwise, up to you. You can remain in your own cocoon and be happy there. Thank you.